Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can get a free look inside all of the member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts with your very own free trial offer, and that lasts for 10 days. You're not only able to make money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you're also able to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room. I'm in the live chat room with you all day, posting live charts, updates, and answering any and all questions you might have about technical analysis. Our goal is to make you a more profitable and successful trader. It's a great opportunity, and I really suggest you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 chart here, and I just want to go over a few things here. First, I'm going to go over a couple of areas of concern as far as the bullishness of this chart, and then I'm going to go over why I do think that it's definitely possible that we're going to pop a little bit higher. So first, areas of concern is we've got these two gaps here to fill. This is a really big gap here to fill down at the 92, what's that, about 92.30 right there, the close of this candle right there. And obviously this is a massive downtrend right here, and this is probably most likely what's going to be considered a bear flag after it breaks to the downside out of it. Okay, but in the meantime, we do have the S&P 500 back over the 8 exponential moving average. It's over, that's the green line right here. And we have it just about at this trend line that we have right here. And if it breaks over that, certainly I think that we can go much higher. We also have RSI breaking higher than it has in the recent past. We also have a flattening MACD, and it looks like it's about to bull cross. We've also got a stochastics bull cross as well. And I'm going to take a look at the 2-hour chart. Okay, and this is the 2-hour chart where each candle represents 2 hours of trading. So as you can see, the last 2 hours of trading were quite bullish on the S&P 500. We closed nearly at the highs. That's extremely bullish. We're above the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud resistance. We've got this really nice trend line right here from this angle right here. Boom, 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 and then we broke over it here. So it's a really nice downtrend line that we had going, and we broke over that with convincing fashion. We've also got RSI on the 2-hour chart making higher highs than it has since the big drop occurred a couple weeks ago. We also got MACD doing the same thing as well, coming out of this consolidation area right here and shooting upwards. This is a bullish looking MACD. We also got stochastics above the signal line, making newer highs above this high, and now we're higher over here. And this is also a higher low on the stochastic as well for the 2-hour chart. So I do think that we are headed higher. We do have a gap at 204 to fill. Honestly, I'm not sure if it gets there. Overall, I am bearish on the S&P 500. I do think that if it heads higher, that it will get rejected. But since we at thetradinganalyst.com are pretty much 99% day trades only right now, you know, it doesn't really matter to us what the overnight moves do, because we're in cash at the end of the day and it feels great. So whichever way the market is moving that day, we move in that direction. So right now we do think it's going to move up, but we are going to be playing with an open mind and playing to the downside if we do get it. So I think that it's possible that we do get a retest of this trend line, which also, this is the trend line right here, this long blue line right there, and that will match up perfectly with the cloud support as well. So I'm suspecting that we might get a touch of this trend line again, unless it gaps and runs again, kind of like it did today. But we'll see. So just going over the possible scenarios, we could retest that area, and that would be a great bounce area. And that area, just to let you know, is about at 195, 194.80 or so. Okay, so 194.80 and 195. That's about where this area is right here, and that could be a potential area of support. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about technical analysis. Again, this was the 2-hour chart of the S&P 500. You can try out the tradinganalyst.com for free for 10 days with your free trial offer. You're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you're also going to be able to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day coaching you, helping you trade, and giving you an explanation of why each alert was given. And I also help you out with individual trades that you're trying to make on your own. You can also join a group of other experienced traders, all with one goal in mind, and that's to make money in this market. We also have a really positive environment where everyone's trying to help each other out and bounce ideas off of each other. It's a great environment to be in, and I really suggest you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.